Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. My name is Adam Van Fleet, and today we are walking through a 2023 Sailfish 290 center console. Length overall on this boat is going to be just over 30 feet with the engines to the bow. As you can see here today, we do have the beautiful Whisper Gray on here. As we come up to the back of the boat, you'll notice we have the Yamaha 300s, and they are painted in the white cowling. Beautiful, beautiful touch to this boat. It's got a nice pearl in it. It's going to shimmer really nice in the sun. As you guys come onto the boat, you're going to notice a couple things first. You have your freshwater wash down, so you can wash the stern anchor, you can wash yourself off and everything. You also have a Fusion stereo head unit with a boarding ladder tucked away inside the floor there. Knife holders, equipment holders, rod holders, and cup holders, as well as your ski pylon is going to be right here. At starboard side, you're going to have your recirculating live well with a clear top so you can see the bait. As we work our way up here to the rear deck of the boat, you have a rear bench seat, and then you also actually have two seats that you can pop in or out depending on if you're having a family day or a fishing day. All this tucks away, and those seats do actually come completely out. Stow them away at the dock or underneath the helm back there. On the sides, you have rod storage as well as a tow rail. That is actually integrated into the gunnel there, so you can tuck away your rod tips and then the tow rail for when you're catching your fish. You do have the tackle station set up here. All right, this one is equipped with a sink back here on the port side. And then to starboard, you have a second circulating live well with cup holders in between, and tackle storage all below. These are all locking too, so if you have some nice equipment you want to keep tucked away, you don't have to worry about that getting taken off the boat. Lock it right up, keep it safe and secure. Fish boxes to either side of the deck. And moving forward to the helm, first thing we're going to notice is this nice fiberglass hardtop with 6 rocket launcher style rod holders and the beautiful white tubing that is holding that hardtop in place there. Life jacket storage up top, dock lights, court lights, and your VHF with another lockable cubby. On top of the helm here, this is an awesome little storage spot. Everything is in here. Throw your phone, your wallet, you have USB outlets, 12-volt outlets. Keeps it nice and safe in there so it's not bouncing around. All the stuff you're not really going to use when you're on the boat. Twin Garmin screens, Yamaha Vessel View, and a Fusion stereo system, accompanied by wet sound speakers all throughout the boat. Going to keep you nice and ready when you want to listen to some music, get some tunes while you're fishing on the water. Rocker switches, Lenco trim tabs, and these are actually the new Yamaha levers. They actually feel, it's a great addition. They feel great. Really in control of all the power there. Digital switching for the ignition. Your windlass. Storage over here again, locking, and down by your feet for more storage if you have maps and stuff like that. Twin helm chairs here. They are completely separate, and that captain's chair does actually slide back and forth. Nice diamond stitching. It's one of my favorite parts of Sailfish, does that. Nice diamond stitching on the back of the seats there, really gives it a nice touch. As we come over here to the port side, I'm going to open up this area underneath the helm. You have a folding door here. Your table storage is going to be underneath there, and then you do have your full toilet and head under there with plenty of storage. You can throw some fenders, lines, everything down there is all good. Walking up to the bow of the boat, plenty of room. Spreader lights up top, nice Plex-in window, and you have a huge cooler here. All right, this will pop up. You have storage underneath. That does lock in there. You have storage all underneath this seating up front. Your table mount, cup holders, all illuminated and everything. And this is awesome too. Sailfish does this. These just pop right back in, gives you a nice backrest. Take them out while you're fishing, leave them in on a family day. Nice, easy, simple design, but very functional. Windlass is up front with your pop-up nav lights. Your pop-up cleats are going to be throughout the boat. Again, more speakers, more cup holders, plenty of space for everything in there. With our new boats, most of the time we're going to be able to get this on the water for you in just a short amount of time. We are coming into our winter season here. Going into the winter, should your boat, should we decide to order a new boat or anything like that, or we're picking a boat that's coming in, at MarineMax Danvers, we can actually store that boat here for you for the winter at no charge. So don't be shy if you see boats now. Don't wait till the spring when everything's all sold out. You're going to wind up in that same cycle back and forth. So come on down, take a look. Let's get you in a boat. Let's get you something on the water. Your storage will be taken care of. And then we'll also, once you take delivery of the boat, is when your warranties will start. So just because you buy a boat going into November, December, January, February, you're not wasting warranty time. So you come in, your warranties will start when you are actually taking delivery on the boat on the water, as opposed to throughout the winter months. So don't be afraid. You don't lose anything by coming to get the boat now. When it's in stock, it's ready to go. This boat's available. As you can see, we got a full showroom of boats. Come down, check everything out. There'll be more in here, more in the overhang, and plenty of boats in the parking lot. You get any questions, stop by the showroom, 10 Hutchinson Drive in Danvers, Mass, or give me a call, 781-635-8684. My name's Adam Van Fleet. Thanks for watching another walkthrough with us today.